Welcome to our new video. Today we are going to discuss some of the most important FAQs related to trademark applications, like how hearing officers communicate decisions, what's inside the trademark journal, how Form MISR is used, and what happens after replying to objections. So if you're curious about trademark procedures, stay tuned till the end. Question 136. What are the different ways in which a hearing officer typically communicates their decision to an applicant regarding a trademark application? Answer. A hearing officer typically communicates their decision to the applicant through a formal written document, which may take the form of 1. Written decision. A detailed written decision that outlines the findings of fact, the application of the relevant law, and the reasoning behind the decision. This document will clearly state whether the trademark application is approved, refused, or conditionally approved. 2. Order. A formal order that sets out the decision and any directions or requirements that the applicant must comply with. This could include instructions to amend the application, provide additional evidence, or take other specific actions. 3. Notification letter. A letter that informs the applicant of the decision and provides instructions on the next steps. This letter may be accompanied by the written decision or order. 4. Official Gazette. In some cases, the decision may be published in the official trademark gazette or journal, especially if the application is approved and the trademark is proceeding to registration. Question 137. What is included in the trademark journal? Answer. The trademark journal contains the following. 1. Public notices and notifications. Any notices or notifications issued by the trademark office. 2. Accepted or advertised applications. Trademark applications that have been accepted or ordered to be advertised before acceptance. 3. Re-advertisements. Applications that are re-advertised if ordered by a competent officer. 4. Corrigendas further notifications. Corrections or further notifications regarding earlier published applications. 5. List of registered, updated trademarks. A list of trademarks that have been registered, renewed, removed, or withdrawn. 6. Post-registration changes, updates such as assignments or transmissions recorded after registration. 7. International non-proprietary names. International non-proprietary names as published by the World Health Organization, WHO, from time to time. 8. Other relevant information. Any other information deemed necessary for publication by the registry. The Trademark Journal serves as an official publication for the Trademark Office to keep the public informed about the status and updates regarding trademarks. Question 138. What types of requests can be made using Form MISR in the Indian trademark system? Answer. MISR refers to the Miscellaneous Request Form, Form ISR, used in the Indian trademark system. It is used for submitting certain specific requests to the trademark registry that do not fall under other specific categories, such as request for correction of a mistake. If there's a typographical error or a mistake in the trademark application, you can use Form MISR to request the correction. Amendment of application. If you need to modify certain details in your trademark application or registration, such as the name or address of the trademark owner, you can file a request using Form MISR. Request for a change of name. If the ownership of the trademark changes, such as from an individual to a company, this form can be used to request an update. Other miscellaneous requests. This form is generally used for any other request that doesn't have a separate prescribed form under the trademark's rules. Question 139. Is there a fee for submitting a reply to the examination report for a trademark application in India? Answer. There is no fee associated with submitting a reply to the examination report itself. However, if you seek assistance from a professional, such as a trademark attorney or agent, to draft or file the reply, they may charge a nominal fee for their services. Before submitting the reply, it is advisable to verify the correctness of the reply, either by reviewing it yourself or confirming with the professional assisting you to ensure that the response is accurate and meets the registry's requirements. Question 140. What happens after filing a reply to an objection in a trademark application in India? Answer. After filing the reply to the objection, the next steps are as follows. 1. Waiting period. There is a waiting period of 15 days after submitting the reply to the objection. 2. Possible outcomes. O. Positive response. If the response is favorable, your trademark will be advertised in the Trademark Journal, signaling that it has been accepted for registration. O. Negative response. If the response is unfavorable, you will be required to appear in a trademark hearing to address the objections raised. If you want to register your brand name, logo, or tagline and legally secure your identity, don't wait. Get expert help with the entire trademark registration process. Contact VMK Professionals, your trusted legal and business partner, to ensure your brand is protected under the law. Visit www.vmkpros.com and get started today. That's it for this video. We hope you learned something new about trademark applications and their process. If you found this helpful, let us know your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.